Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Mary here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to tag and mention everyone on Instagram. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram app. Make sure to sign in into your account. On the bottom right corner, tap on profile icon. When you enter on your profile page, on the top right corner, tap on three-line icon. Here you can see different options. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and under how others can react, you will see tags and mentions. Tap on it. Now here you can see who can tag you and another is who can mention you. Now you need to enable on allow tags for everyone, and same as for mention, allow mentions for everyone. And here you have allowed your tags and mention for everyone, and this is how we tag and mention everyone on Instagram. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.